Starting our journey at Motobu Port. Here's the ticket counter. They're not open yet. Here in about an hour. We're getting on the ferry boat. This ferry terminal is absolutely empty. But this is the beginning of our journey. 30-hour boat ride across the ocean. All right, we have this thing really loaded. I gotta do some moving stuff around, but let me see here. Yeah, it's like got my battery box in, so it's all covered and protected. We're gonna be living out of this thing for the next couple of weeks, so there's just like so much stuff everywhere. Move this out the way. Yep, this is going to be home for the next 2 to 3 weeks, or however long it takes, but probably more like 2 weeks. Got my brand new XJs on there, open country tires, Toyo tires, Japanese made, D-rated, all terrains, brand new. I don't probably have 50-60 miles on these, so it should be okay for the whole trip up. Yeah, we gotta take a bunch of stuff out of here. I still got the fridge on. I need to turn that off. That water's like probably 15 meters deep right there, and it's crystal clear. Even though it's early in the morning and the sun's not really high yet, you can see all the way to the bottom. Nice and blue. I can see our boat. It's right there. It's about probably 10 miles out, but it's on the way. Should be here around 9 o'clock. It's 8:20 right now. But yeah, this is it. There's the van. I'm number 1 in line. People fishing over here. Well, here comes our boat, the Merrick's Line Queen Coral Plus. 114,000 tons and 500 feet long. 26 to 30 hour ride on this thing all the way to Kagoshima. We got it, room 101, the suite. Let's see what we got, boys. Let's see what we got. It's the biggest room on the boat. Oh, nice. Oh yeah. Yeah, 30 hours. That's why I wanted to get the suite, so I have some space to. Yeah, we got lots of windows. Nice. Yeah, this is going to be really comfortable. We got some amenities, and we have our own private shower and toilet, which is what I wanted. There it is. Be nice taking a sunset bath, cruising across the ocean. Yeah, the other rooms don't have a bath, or it's a public shared toilet, and I didn't want that. That's why I went with this. And anyway, it is what it is. Start off the retirement right. internet working space. This is a bath, men's bathhouse, women's bathhouse, smoking room that goes to our room, some trash, some snacks, lots of vending machines, lots of beer, of course. That right there's Daisakurinzan. That's the very northern tip of Okinawa main island, and that's it. We're just about passing that, headed north. The next island is Yoron, which is actually Kagoshima prefecture. But anyway, we got our beer buddies right here, and this is it. Orion, the draft beers, Okinawa's flagship beer. And we're gonna go ahead and just have one of these right now. Enjoy the middle of the day. This is Yoron Island. Quick stop, they loaded up. And we're out of here in a minute. Alright, this is Okino Irabu Island. Wow, they even got they're lifting up some containers over there too. We're loading up all kinds of stuff here. I have a friend in Kadena, in Okinawa, that has a extra house here, second house, and this place has phenomenal fishing here. Nice little island. Alright, we made it to Tokunoshima Island. The temperature is already getting nice and cool compared to Okinawa. We're probably about, I don't know, 200 miles or so from Okinawa. It's a nice island. Everything's pretty modern. Alright, time for a hot bath. Well, it's getting dark soon, getting ready for the bath, but those islands out there, that's Aomori. So just on the north end of the island, about probably 40-50 miles north, is almost the halfway point to mainland Japan. So after that, there's no more stops. It's straight cruise, so it'll be dark. A couple hours we'll stop here, and that's it. It'll be dark, unfortunately, you can't see anything, but after that it's just an all-night cruise all the way to mainland Japan without stopping, so that's gonna certainly speed things up. Alright, I put some onsen bath powder in there, nice and blue. That's it. Nice view. You can really see the Aomori Islands now. Well, there's Sakurajima volcano in Kagoshima, and it is actually blowing some smoke out the top of it today. It's very active. It's always rumbling and spewing smoke and ash out the top, and today's another day it's doing what it does. Alright guys, back in the van here. It is absolutely a full house. Show you guys around. I mean, I am just like surrounded by vehicles. So yeah, it's gonna take a minute to get off, but anyway, we made it safely and that's all that matters. There she is. All right. First stop is Alpine Outdoors, famous Japan outdoor shop. They have everything for every type of outdoor sport, like camping, hiking, trekking, canoeing, kayaking, whatever. So anyway, I can't wait to get in there. I gotta buy some gas. But first time in Kagoshima, first time here, and get some gas and get on the road. Wow, so nice.